All right. This week, Zoom updated their app and finally has made it possible for any participant to self-select their own breakout room, which was something that a lot of facilitators were waiting for a long time. And now it's finally possible to do things like Unconferences, use open space technology, and host world cafes. Lots of different ways where you can create participant-led meetings and events. And I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you how it works, how it looks like from the host's side, and what the options are that you can do. So I'm quickly going to switch over to my Zoom, which I'm right now hosting a meeting on my laptop, and I have my phone joining as a participant, which of course I have to admit first. So let me admit this other person that I called engaged participants and wait until they show up. Here we go. Here's our engaged participant, and on the bottom here, if you can see, I have my breakout rooms. It's the same place as it was before, but now, oh, hang on. Now, because I already started this, the first time you click it, you will see this window, which wasn't there before. Here in the beginning, you could select between assign automatically and assign manually, and you can like to choose how many rooms you want. Now we have this third option that says let participants choose room, which is the most exciting thing. So let's create some new ones. There's 3 rooms that I have here right now, and if I click open all the rooms without assigning anyone to the rooms, if I just open the rooms, now anybody that is in the Zoom meeting can self-select one of those rooms and jump in and out. So I'm going to do this on my other device right now, which I will show you. Hold on. We will move some things around, and now you should see on my phone, I suddenly have this little button over here that says Breakout Rooms. And when I tap it, I get to choose one of the rooms and then simply join. And this is where I now have on my phone self-selected the breakout room that I want to go to. And as you can see here, as the host, I can see that that person is now in room 3. I can join them there. As the host, of course, you can move around freely. And now I showed up over here. So both of us are in the same room again. And then if I want to choose another room, I simply hit the Breakout Rooms button again. I can choose a different one and head over there. And this is something that is super exciting because up until now, the host had to move participants into the rooms, so they could never move around freely. And the other thing that is really new is it now works on Android phones. So when the release came out on Monday, it was only possible to move between breakout rooms freely if you were on a computer, not a Chromebook, and you're running the Zoom app, so not through the browser either. Now Android phones are working, and I just read this morning that by hopefully the end of September, the iPhone app will be updated as well. So anybody coming in from an iPad or an iPhone will also be able to self-select breakout rooms and make this a feature that I think we can now start using in facilitating workshops, in facilitating experiences. And it's actually really exciting because when you think about creating an experience for people, having them being able to bring up topics that they're interested in, then creating a set of rooms based on these topics, and you can rename the rooms however you would like, and then they just head to the room of the topic that they want to discuss, and you bring them back whenever you're done. So it's really cool on how to do this now. And what are some other things I wanted to say? yes, in case there is still someone that is using a Chromebook or any like browser that can't self-select the breakout rooms, you can still, as the host, assign them to a room, and that way they still get to participate. All right, and as you can see here, actually I'm going to switch to this view. The breakout rooms are now done. So if you leave the breakout rooms open and at one point you close them, now everyone has 30 seconds for the breakout rooms to be closed, so you can still gather people back. Even though they can move around freely, as a facilitator, as the host, you still have control over bringing them back whenever you need to, and then continue with your experience. All right, I just wanted to show you that quick little tutorial. If you have any questions about how to use this, please let me know, and I'll post another video. All right, here we go.